all friends, followers, listeners, and creators. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. And I wish you best of luck because a lot of people just depend on luck. They don't use knowledge. So because of that, I said that best of luck. Today I'm going to show you an awesome strategy never seen before on YouTube. Yes, this is a secret strategy no one can share here, but I am going to share you. This is based on three indicators. What kind of three indicators? The first one is a parabolic SAR. All people know what kind of thing these parabolics are. This is using a lot of traders for scalping, and parabolics are, and after that famous indicator is a Bollinger Band. A Bollinger Band strategy people are using, and the third one is the MACD. MACD also a famous indicator, and a lot of people are using MACD. There are a lot of settings and a lot of parameters. So today going to show you one more awesome strategy. This strategy is going to help you easily try to understand that market direction and also that market complete trend. You are going to milk complete trend. What complete trend? Once that market come and reverse a trend in a new trend, like say if a market continuously going in a sale and now going to start a bullish trend, okay, a buy trend, upward trend, so it's mean this market is going to be buy position. So how we predict the buy position? In boom and crash, a lot of people are using boom and crash, a binary traders. So this strategy gonna help you out to predict buy and sell trend confirmation. So this video how to set up the strategy, how to use, and the first of all I will say please use money management, because the money management is a key. So after money management you will make awesome pips. Okay guys, I hope you all guys understand it clearly. Now let's get started. So I will teach you how to set up the strategy. First of all, you guys need to have indicators. Now look here, the first need Bollinger Bands. Please look at the setting. The first period will be 200 and the variation will be 0.100 and shift will be 1 applied to low, 3 pixel, color choose any and click on done. Okay, already pasted on my chart, and look here, the parabolics are 0.12 and the maximum 0.2, 3 pixel, color choose any you like and simply click on done. Okay guys, and look here, done. And now it's time to click on MACD. So remember that first I will go repeat that 200, 0.100 and shift will be 1, apply to low, pixel 3 and done. Okay, parabolic SAR step will be 0.10, 12. What mean of step? That gap of dots is called step. Okay, maximum 0.2, this is the count of dots of parabolic SAR. I hope you guys get that. Now look here how visible to on your chart. Look here, if that you are setting same like mine, so it's mean that you set up nicely and correctly. Now it's time to set up that MACD setting. So how to set up the MACD is to simply go and open the MACD settings. Look here, the first fast EMA will be set to default and fast EMA is changed to 100, 100, and that slow EMA changed to 200, and that MACD SMA simple moving average that show up and down position of a MACD choose 7, apply to low and choose color any you like, no problem. Is there any color you choose? And simply click on done. And once done, you will see on your chart. Look here, clearly visible. Now that confirmation of a buy, how we trade using this strategy, buy and sell. Okay, the confirmation of a buy and sell. The first of all, I will look at history and show you some trades how to go using this system, and also will place a trade using this system. First of all, you guys need to look at first point. Once that Bollinger Band start going Bollinger Band start going downside from candles downside from candles, look here, upward, downside from candles upwards, which means that the market is going to be bullish. Look here, upward, and now market started going up easily, and now it's time to show you parabolic SAR. Look here how work parabolic SAR. Parabolic SAR, this is an awesome indicator to predict the market momentum. Why we need here parabolic SAR? We need just parabolic SAR to confirm the trend continued. This trend is going to be continued. Okay, only for confirmation. We are using there only for confirmation. Now look here. You've seen that parabolic SAR. Look here. Parabolic SAR also started going up. Look here. Continuously dot showing upward. That make also Bollinger Band is showing downside from candles and going upside. Okay, and the third confirmation, look here, that MACD SMA started going up and the MACD volume thick candles also. Look here, the thick of volume MACD is continuously minimizing the size, and now from this point is the started uptrend. Look here. Now when it started uptrend, and look here, continuously you clearly understand that the market is started uptrend. Okay, how to set stop loss and how to set take profit. Come here, choose the relative strength index RSI, and change that period to 1000, apply to close, and done. Look here, the first thing, this is your support and resistance. There is your support and resistance. Okay, RSI. How to use RSI prediction? Look here, when RSI 50, sorry, this is RSI from this point. Look here, it crossed this point, that MACD crossed this point. Now it's time to make decision of closing or setting the trailing stop from this point. Okay, position from this point, that first dot upside, position, closing when that cross this RSI support and resistance. Okay, it's time to close or set your trading stop. Where it comes, look here, look here where it's come. Let me put the crosshair, and look here, here will be your trading stop. Look how much pips from this point to this point. Look here, continuously I think 69 and something plus pips. Look here, 100 and something equal. Okay guys, pips. So this is an awesome strategy. And when avoid making pips when that market is in bound position. Okay, you can say manipulation, you can say sideways market, avoid that kind of market. Okay, and don't use strategy. Look here, awesome and clear buy. If you want to milk M1, a lot of people using M1. Look here, buy one MACD and 3 confirmation. As I told you, look here, a sell, look here, a sell, and look at this point, continuously started going down. When to set the trailing stop, look at MACD, look at this point. Here will be your stop loss or take profit, and look at MACD. You just crossed that RSI, so now it's time to close your position or set trailing stop. Look here, the spike trading, look here, going upside, parabolic SAR, Bollinger Band is showing upward. MACD also started upward, and look here, at this point, once crossed that RSI, now it's time to close your position. Look at this point. Simple. It's very easy, guys. Very easy. For scalping M5. Look here. Now it's showing that the market is continuously downside. Okay, guys. Look at this point. It started going down. Parabolic SAR confirmation, Bollinger Band confirmation, and we confirm at this point. Look here, MACD also started going down. We need to go for sale. Okay, guys, I hope you all guys understand clearly how to make pips using this strategy, and you all guys will make money. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please type in comments.